It's, what is this? Mrs. Rabbit's helicopter ride. So I can see the Windy Castle from up here. What can you see?
And the balloon ride. It's open today though. It's open.
Is it open? Yeah. Let's go and have a look. Wow, Zack, you can see all of Peppa Pig World from up here. Go on, fly.
No, not that. Mrs. Rabbit.
I think we're higher than the balloon ride, although it is still going up. Are we higher? We are higher. Wave to the balloon ride, Zack. Are we higher? We are higher than the balloon ride. That's cool.
Wait when you cast away.
Do they move round when this
Yeah, they
is
do. They move around when it
operational?
moves around, yeah.
I mean, some places have broken up from school, so probably that's why.
Whoa. Whoa. That's nice, isn't it? Whoa, that's weird. Then go this way. Right. That'd be good if you could, wouldn't it? But they have got numbers in there, look, see? See the ladders? No,
Why not?
you're not allowed. Native species. Trees at Paultons Park. That is a massive bug hotel. It's the biggest bug hotel ever. Le Grand Hotel for bugs.
Look at the bees.
Whoa.
Bees use all that down there. Spiders.
So many cobwebs there. I bet there's a lot of spiders living in there.
Yeah.
This reminds me of that walkway in Gatorland.
It does, yeah.
Not as
Yeah.
tropical though. It really does, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's so quiet around here.
They sound good. Like bones.
Okay.
The Jurassic Playground.
Oh, look at this. Colourful, is that?
Rainbow. Can you hear me, Zack? Talk. Hello, can you hear me? Oh, yeah, I got you then. Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig.
Nice and peaceful going through there. What's that?
It's the Jurassic Park play park.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this. It's quite nice this. Shall we go in there?
Yeah.
Sit down for a bit. Yeah.
Lovely.
My shoes off.
You go into the driving seat. So this is like one of the Jurassic cars we were in yesterday. Oh look, you can move that though. Move the gear stick. That's cool. The Jurassic Tour Company. So look at this, it's a T-Rex print, look. Look how big they are, Zack, the footprints. Oh, it's a dinosaur head there. It goes into a slide. I like that. Whoa. Let's go and have a look at it.
Can you
Listen to the noise it makes. It's really cute. He's guarding his eggs. It's cute, isn't it? But it says, please don't touch the dinosaurs. They will bite. It's a dinosaur. That's huge. Brachiosaurus. Uh-oh, what have you seen? That makes a noise.
This was only £1.
Have you got them?
Oh, they got new construction going on here. Whoa, look at it go. Oh, it crashed. Right, that way, forwards, backwards. You're doing an Austin Powers move. That's it. Forwards, that's it. You got it, you got it.
Good driving.
Really good driving. That's really good driving. Oh, keep going. That Brachiosaurus sounds quite scary, doesn't it? It's like an air raid siren from a horror film. Okay. Oh, you did well. Oh, it's still going. Yeah, you did it. Well done. I love the sky. Dramatic. Are they from the Cretaceous period?
Yeah, but they don't look real, do they?
They're amazing.
They're really nice plants.
Let's do it.
They're building new.
So, put your arms out. Whoa! Very cool.
Do the egg thing.
You Rex before? He's hiding in there. His feet. There he is. Hey, he's hiding in the trees. Oh, there he goes. Here he comes. Whoa! That's really cool, isn't it?
going very
Oh, here we are again, Zack. You love to make me giddy on this, don't you?
Let's go very fast.
I'm sure you will go very fast. Is this your favourite ride in Peppa Pig World? I think it is, isn't it? It's definitely a long ride and a very spinny ride. Whoa! Yeah, now I'm starting to get giddy.
It's so high. Look, we are trolls.
Zack, you go so fast, man. You can see Daddy Pig, yeah? Is Mummy Pig there? Right, who's at the top? Who's at the top?
Daddy Pig.
It's Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig. Are they waving?
Let's go very fast.
We are going fast. Oh my life. Very, very dizzy. I keep missing Daddy Pig there. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. I think I got him. Oh, that's it now. Wicked stuff. Right, what do you want to do now?
Let's do the soft wave.
Right, come on then, let's go do that.
What time we go?
Soon, babe.
At 5 o'clock.
Don't worry about it. Go in and have some fun in here.
Night time.
Goodness. What do you look like? I can't get up there.
Can you get up there?
Can you wait for me at the top?
Face you down. Whoa. Down the blue slide.
Yeah, the blue one. Let's keep going up. Right, we'll see if I can get
Wait. Camera. I'm coming with my camera. It's that way, the Mac. Turn around. Turn this to. You can leave.
Oh, that's my head then. Go on then. Go on in, Zack. What? It will, it will, it will. It just a loose. Here we go, here we go. 3, 2. Ah! Very cool.
And that one going up.
Go find Mummy. Sat, have you had a lovely time at Peppa Pig World today? Sat, how was Peppa Pig World? Do you love it?
You love it.
It's great, wasn't it? What are you going to say, Zach?
Bye. Bye, Peppa Pig World. All I had to do is search for my name.
What's our name?
Zack.
What's our channel name?
Parks and Bricks.
Can't see the sign because of the sun.
It says thank you for visiting.
Bye, Peppa Pig World. That was good fun, wasn't it?
Bye to Paultons Park and then bye to Peppa Pig World.
Yeah, been really good. Good summer holiday trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday was very
Park.
hot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's been hot both days. It was just a bit cloudier this morning.
A bit cooler, a bit more of a breeze today. Yesterday was boiling.
Yeah. That's going to be it now from us, from Paultons Park for the summer holiday. Hope you've enjoyed watching our videos.
Should we get one together?
Oh. Do you want me to take that then, or are you going to take it?
Come here.
How are you going to do that then?